The 2025 Tata Nano returns with a refreshing update, carrying forward its legacy as the most affordable and compact city car, yet now reimagined to meet modern urban needs and expectations. Originally introduced as the world's cheapest car, the Nano made headlines for its revolutionary approach to low-cost transportation. The 2025 version, however, is not just about affordability anymore. It focuses on safety, style, and city-centric practicality, while still maintaining its core identity as a budget-friendly solution for daily commuters. The exterior of the 2025 Tata Nano has been completely redesigned to give it a more contemporary and stylish look. The previously boxy design has been replaced with smoother curves, sharper lines, and a more aerodynamic profile. Compact in size, but bold in personality. The new Nano now comes with LED daytime running lights, sleeker headlamps, and a refined front grille that enhances its urban appeal. The small footprint remains ideal for tight city parking and congested streets, making it one of the most maneuverable cars in its class. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Nano offers surprising improvements in quality and comfort compared to its earlier generations. Tata Motors has focused on using better materials, soft-touch plastics, and improved ergonomics to make the interior feel more premium, despite its low price point. Space utilization remains a key strength, with clever design choices providing sufficient headroom and legroom for 4 passengers. The dashboard is simple, yet functional. And the car now comes equipped with modern features like a touchscreen infotainment system, smartphone connectivity, Bluetooth, and USB ports, which were previously absent in the original model. Air conditioning, power windows, and keyless entry are also available in higher trims, making the car feel more aligned with current urban driving standards. Under the hood, the 2025 Tata Nano is expected to come with an updated fuel-efficient petrol engine, likely a small displacement 3-cylinder unit optimized for city commuting. While not built for high-speed performance, the engine offers adequate power for urban driving, stop-and-go traffic, and short highway runs. The Nano is all about providing economical transportation with low running costs. And Tata has further improved fuel efficiency with this latest iteration. There is also speculation about the possibility of an all-electric variant, which would align with Tata's growing investment in electric mobility solutions. If introduced, an electric Nano would make a perfect fit for the increasing demand for eco-friendly urban transportation. One of the most significant upgrades in the 2025 Nano is the improved safety package. Earlier models of the Nano were widely criticized for their lack of basic safety features, but the new generation addresses these concerns with dual front airbags, anti-lock braking system (ABS), electronic brake force distribution (EBD), rear parking sensors, and a stronger body structure designed to meet current crash safety standards. Tata has made safety a priority this time, understanding the evolving expectations of modern drivers. Driving the new Nano remains an easy and enjoyable experience, especially within the confines of city environments. The light steering, compact size, and tight turning radius make it an excellent car for daily commuting, shopping, trips, and navigating crowded areas. The ride quality has also been refined, with better suspension tuning to handle uneven roads more comfortably. Overall, the 2025 Tata Nano represents a smart evolution of a car that once changed the way India and much of the world thought about affordable mobility. By focusing on improved safety, better design, enhanced comfort, and technology integration, Tata has transformed the Nano into a relevant and appealing option for young drivers, small families, and budget-conscious urban dwellers. Whether petrol or possibly electric, the Nano continues to fulfill its mission of providing accessible transportation, but now does so with a much stronger emphasis on style, practicality, and safety, making it a car perfectly suited for the modern city lifestyle.